Why is Deepseek better than ChatGPT? Well, first, it's really fast and it has that deep thinking model which ChatGPT don't has. Basically, if I ask it any question with deep think on, it's going to reason its own answer to give you a better answer. And it even has like a search feature which you guys can use to ask it the latest question. If like something happened recently, like 2 to 3 minutes ago, you can ask it and it'll answer you. And the thing is, ChatGPT has all these features in the paid version. Right now, Deepseek is literally free. You can only ask 10 to 15 questions daily on ChatGPT. Well, in Deepseek, you can ask unlimited question. And ChatGPT says it's an open source app, but it's actually not. It has its code hidden. Well, with Deepseek, you can just search for Deepseek code GitHub like this. Then you can click on Deepseek Coder and it's going to show you every single coding performance and every detail you have to know about Deepseek over here. You can also click on the first option over here with GitHub and it's going to even give you the files as well as all these benchmark testing. If you're a coder, you will know what I'm talking about. If you're not, you're just going to be confused. But this is a really big win for all the coders. You can literally just create your own AI using this code at this point. That is what's cool about Deepseek. So it's actually free and open source, not like open source AI where its source is hidden. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.